Hey YouTube, what's up? My name is Tonya Archer and the camera is way too close to my face right now. Anywho, the focus of this video is all about my hair and what I have going on right now. I tried a new product. Well, it's new to me. It's been around, but it's a new product to me. I was literally just walking down the aisles of the beauty supply store and looking for a product that I can use to do a perm rod set or any kind of sets like twist outs, braid outs, and bantu knots. And you know, I'm walking back and forth reading all the bottles and stuff like that, and then I came across this product called Pink Lemonade Coconut, and I had to get it just because it's called Pink Lemonade Coconut. That is so beautiful, and it's actually a mousse. And I've never used a mousse on my hair before, so I thought that I would try that out. Another reason I got it is because it says ready, set, curl. And that stood out to me because all of the other products were really wash and go targeted. Like the instructions said, make sure your hair is damp and then put the product in and comb it through and then your curls will be popping. I have 4C hair and I don't know about you, but that does not work for me. I cannot just wet my hair and just put some product in and then it works. No. So that's why I gravitate more towards just rocking my fro or setting my hair in some kind of set. So the fact that it says ready, set, curl, I was like, yes, that's what I need. I need to set my hair and it needs to be curled. So that's that. And I also got the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair. There we go. It's a leave-in lotion. That's their leave-in lotion. I guess it's like a leave-in conditioner. Whew, okay. This smells really yummy. The smell of this reminds me of that Drake song that goes,
your hair smell like the tropics, your body look nice. One can't hold me, I gotta go twice. I'm here for you, just tell me what you like.
You guys know the song though, you know the song. So yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I use the Main Choice Mousse and the Main Choice Leave-In Lotion to create this fabulous perm rod set. So if you guys would like to see how I get it done, just keep on watching and I'll explain it to you in this little voiceover with these clips. Alright, so I started off this look with freshly washed, shampooed, and conditioned hair. So the very first thing I'm going to do is just run my pick through it to get it completely detangled. Once I get it detangled, I'm going to go ahead and add some oil to my hair and also to my scalp. I really like to massage the oil deep into my scalp. So my battery died, but after I put the oil on my scalp and my hair, I then added the leave-in lotion. Okay, now onto the perm rods. To install the perm rods, I just section off a really small portion of hair. Then I add about a half a pump of the mousse onto that strand. I just work it in, making sure that I cover each strand in that section. Now to install the actual perm rod, I start from the bottom and roll upwards. I really try to make sure that I cover the entire perm rod and not wrap the hair around itself, but rather around the perm rod. Kind of like optimizing the space on the perm rod so that my hair can dry better. And boom, there you have it. I'm gonna just repeat this step throughout my entire head. About halfway through, the back of my head was getting kind of dry, so I just added a bit more of the leave-in lotion. I usually allow my hair to set overnight rather than drying it under a dryer, and then I take it down in the morning. It is absolutely crucial that you do not take down your perm rods unless your hair is 199% dry. I use castor oil every time I'm taking down a hair. So yeah, this is the one that I'm using. It is infused with peppermint, and that just really helps with the icky smell of castor oil. Taking down these perm rods is extremely easy. All you gotta do is unhook them and then roll them in the opposite direction. After taking down the perm rods, your hair is going to look a little sus. So yeah, we're going to take care of that by separating those coils and really fluffing out the hair using castor oil, of course. So what I do is I coat my fingers in the castor oil, I pick up a strand, or a coil rather, and I separate them, and while I separate, I twist it and coil it around my finger just so I can maintain that curl. For me, that's really the trick of getting a defined look and not too much frizz, is to really coil it around your finger with that castor oil. The castor oil is super thick, so it allows the hair to kind of clump together. And it adds a miraculous amount of shine. And it's healthy as, you know, so. Oof, look at that shine, definition, and just moisture that's going on in my head right now. It's still a little too defined for me, so I usually take a pick, go into the roots, and just raise up the roots. This adds a little frizz, a little roughness. And that's it. That is basically everything I do to achieve this look. So if you're a 4C hair chick like me that's struggling to get that really defined look, I suggest you guys try this. It's really easy, and this style can last me up to a week if I wear a satin bonnet. And it really adds a nice little character to my fro. So for my first impression and first time using these products, I really love it. I love it mainly because the mousse is super light. There's no flaking, zero flaking. The curls are left shiny and with a hold. I think the price of this was $14.95, which isn't too bad considering I only used like a little bit of it for styling it once. Did you see that? The lotion is very, let me just show you. It's very thick, which I like, but it's not like super thick. It obviously still runs. It's very lotiony, like it literally feels like a bottle of lotion, and it feels really good on my hair, and it makes my hair feel so soft. Like my hair doesn't feel dry or, you know, crunchy or too heavy, so that's really good. So now that I have my natural hair out, I'm going to be doing a lot of reviews on natural hair products that I haven't tried before. Like there's so many hair products out there, and I feel like I need to try them all. Like I need to try them all. So if you guys would like to see more of these reviews, just hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment below, and I will get it done. I know there's not a lot of YouTubers out there with my kind of hair, you know, hair that's still kept short, hair that's super kinky and in the 4C category. So that's why I feel like making these videos are really important, because representation matters. Even within a specific community, there's representations within that need to be expressed and shown and represented. So I feel like I'm kind of here doing that. And hopefully you guys enjoyed my content, and if you have any comments, suggestions, or anything like that, just hit me up in the comment section. You can send me a message on Instagram or whatever. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Toodles!
This is a Mr. Tracky production.